Yes. Or-
I mean, I'm good. My arms are falling asleep a little bit. Notice?
Falling. Quiet. You can't.
Yeah. Little tight here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quiet. Stop. Quiet.
Oh, and I'm sore. So everywhere.
Yeah, feel that?
Yeah.
I'm coming down this way.
Mhm.
All right. Just lie on this side, face me. Ah, there it is.
Oh, little one.
Slow motion. Got it. Yeah.
Other side?
Yep.
All right.
Okay.
I can feel it.
Yep.
That side.
Sacrum right there. Here, let's sit up for a moment. Right. Okay, interlace behind your neck. And we're gonna come over here. Good. Excellent. And now you're back.
I'm better. I don't swear anymore. That's what I used to all the time.
You had to clean up your act, huh?
I did. I did.
Yeah, they used to swear
A
all
better
the
example for my
time.
children.
There you go. Nice.
Oh,
Perfect.
there it is.
Nice. Oh boy.
Oh, I can feel that on my left.
Ah.
Mama.
That was really perfect. Now, nice.
I could feel that go all the way from
Through
here, and it came down. So it was here, and
Yeah.
I could feel it here, and then down there.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna reload
Yep.
down this way. Good.
Gotta reload.
Good. And slide back down a little. Shin down a little bit.
Gavin,
Good.
this game called 007. I know, but I'm on
Okay, power's on there. Just relax for a few moments.
You